natural disaster-prone Philippines is facing its biggest corruption scandal in history.
Kailangang may managot sa naging matinding pinsala at katiwalian.
Billions of dollars meant for flood management have been stolen by contractors and government officials.
You're appalled, you're angry, you know, it's really unbelievable, to be quite honest.
Meanwhile, ordinary Filipinos are left to suffer.
Malala every year.
Citizens are furious and taking to the streets, led by the youth.
Dahil nagkakaisa ang ating galit sa malalang pagnanakaw ng ating kinabukasan.
This corruption scandal will actually make or break his presidency.
101 East investigates how the most vulnerable in the Philippines are being flooded by corruption.